A YouView hard reset is a powerful troubleshooting tool that completely restores your device to its original factory state. Understanding when and why to use this feature is essential for maintaining your YouView box. A hard reset, also known as a factory reset, is the most comprehensive way to restore your YouView box. It completely wipes all personal data, settings, recordings, and installed apps from your device. It's important to understand that there are different types of resets available. A hard reset is the most drastic option, while soft resets and network resets are less invasive alternatives. Now let's explore the specific situations when you should consider performing a hard reset on your YouView box. There are 6 main scenarios where this drastic measure becomes necessary. Here's your YouView box and the components that will be affected by a hard reset. Understanding what gets wiped helps you prepare for the reset process and back up any important information beforehand. Remember, a hard reset should be your last resort after trying other troubleshooting methods. Always back up important settings and be prepared to reconfigure your YouView box from scratch after the reset is complete. Now that you understand what a hard reset does, let's walk through the 3 different methods you can use to perform a hard reset on your YouView box. There are 3 methods available. The menu-based reset is the preferred and safest option. The physical reset button is useful when the interface is unresponsive. The power cycle reset should only be used as a last resort. Method 1 is the menu-based reset, which is the recommended approach. Start by pressing the YouView button on your remote control, then navigate through the Settings menu to Device Management and select Factory Reset. You'll see a maintenance mode screen like this one, showing different reset options. Select Factory Reset and choose whether to keep or delete your recordings, then confirm your choice. Method 2 uses the physical reset button, typically located on the back or bottom of your YouView box. With the box powered on, press and hold the small reset button for at least 10 seconds. Continue holding until you see the lights on the box begin flashing. Then release the button and allow the box to restart automatically. This method is useful when the menu system is unresponsive. Method 3 is the power cycle reset, which should only be used as a last resort when other methods fail. Unplug the power cable and wait 30 seconds, then hold the power button while reconnecting the cable. Regardless of which method you use, the reset process will take 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Your YouView box will restart automatically and display the initial setup wizard, just like when you first got the device. You'll need to reconnect to your network, set up your preferences again, and reinstall any apps you were using. Remember that all your recordings and settings will be permanently deleted, so make sure you've backed up anything important before starting the reset process.